My name's Dan Scarfo, Global Energy Manager for Medtronic. Been working for them for 24 years now. This site in particular is one of the larger single building sites that has a lot of moving targets. They got labs, they got offices, they got clean rooms, call centers, display cases, and so forth. So lighting is paramount and critical to the operation.
This is the largest Medtronic facility in California. At this facility, we manufacture products for the treatment of diabetes.
We do failure analysis on the insulin pumps that return from the customers. So it's critical for us to actually see the product, and we can actually identify everything a lot better with increased lighting.
Some of our stuff is so small that without light you couldn't find it at all.
It plays a major role. The lighting affects various operations here.
The lighting before we went to the full LED was more dim, definitely not as bright.
When they built this building, it was somewhat current technology. California has Title 24 requirements, so energy efficiency was already a key part of the process. So knowing that we were going to have to comply with the level of technology that was required within California, we wanted to look at the opportunity to improve that efficiency by taking advantage of the new technology that's out there. It's always looking at what can we do more.
Medtronic's strategy around managing our energy is using proven technology to have a big impact. About 15% of our energy is due to lighting. So we knew we could have a big impact if we look broad.
We look at things globally. We want to put in the most efficient equipment that we can. However, a key part of that is making sure that that performance is in place and that nothing from the performance side is compromised.
Maintaining the lighting in the building is a daily task from a maintenance perspective and takes away time from the team from doing other critical projects.
Medtronic itself doesn't necessarily have the expertise relative to the different lighting controls. Having a third party such as US Energy has greatly helped support us in our process.
During the time it was being installed, it didn't interrupt any of the operations, and we noticed a huge transition. The new lighting has made the workplace feel more productive, and it's brighter and easier to get work done.
Once the lights got changed over to the LED, the place just illuminated. We can actually come to work and focus more on what we're doing because everything is more visible.
3 years ago I had cataract surgery, and all of a sudden my whole world became brighter. So when the old lights used to flicker, it used to give me extreme headaches. With these new lights, I work all day long without getting headaches.
One of the benefits partnering with folks like US Energy is getting extended warranties to where we're looking at fixtures from a quality perspective, and that gives us that confidence level that we're going to have something in for a long time that we're not going to have to mess with.
From an efficiency standpoint, it's just really following the technology, but also keeping our people educated on how to operate the system.
That was a learning curve on all of us, and it shifted us into a better mode of thinking on how we should upgrade, and US Energy's been a big part of that.